How to find and recover deleted Facebook messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily find and recover deleted Facebook messages. So without further ado, let's get started. So step 1 is to check your message archive. So to do that, simply open the Messenger app, and once you have opened it, simply tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. And from there, simply select archive and scroll through the conversation. And if you find the conversation, you can simply tap and press on that chat, and from the pop-up menu you can simply tap on archive to move it back to your inbox. And that's it. By doing this, your message will be restored. And now step 2, that is to recover permanently deleted messages. So if you have messages that isn't available on your archive, there is another method you can try. Now open the web browser and go to www.facebook.com. And once you are there, you can simply log into your account if you haven't already. And once you are logged in, simply tap on the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to the menu section. From there, simply tap on the settings. Once you're here, simply tap on See More in Account Center under the Account Center. And once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to your Account Center. From here, simply scroll down and tap on your information and permissions. Now tap on Download your information. Now here you can see the option labeled Download or Transfer Information. So simply tap on that. Now select the account, and once you're done with that, simply tap on Next. Now simply tap on specific type of information. And once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to the page where you can select your activity. And from there, simply check on the messages. And once you do that, simply tap on Next. Now tap on Download to Devices. And once you do that, here you can set a date range if you remember when the message was sent. You can even set media quality to low or for faster and high if you need a higher resolution photos and videos. And once you're done with that, simply click on Create Files. It may take some time, but once ready, you will be provided a download button right here. So simply tap on download and open the zip files on your Files app. And after that, unzip the file and browse through the folders and find your message history. While you can't restore the deleted message back to your messenger, but you will always have a record of the conversation. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.